This is the mid-chapter review for Chapter 6 for Kindergarten GoMath. Question number 1 says, Child has 6 counters. One of his counters is yellow, the rest are red. Draw and color the 6 counters in the 10 frame. Write the number that shows how many in all. Write the number that shows how many are yellow. So let's start with the beginning of the information. Child has 6 counters. So I'm going to draw circles for the 6 counters in our 10 frame. So the whole first row is 5 and one more is 6. Then the information says that one of his counters is yellow. Here's our yellow counter. And it says the rest are red. So here are our red counters. Write the number that shows how many in all. In all, Child has 6 counters. And how many, it says write the number that shows how many are yellow. There is 1 yellow. So if you look at that problem, we're actually working 6 minus 1. And if you wanted to go ahead and know that answer, which you probably already do, 6 minus 1 leaves us how many red counters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll go ahead and put equals 5 out here, even though we didn't have to go all that far. All right, the next problem is problem number 2, and it says model a 5-cube train. 4 cubes are blue, and the rest are orange. So we have 4 that are blue, and the rest, if it's 5, there's a spot for 1 orange one there. Take apart the cube train to show how many are orange. Draw and color the cube trains, trace and write to complete the subtraction sentence. So we had 5 cube trains, that's our total. Our menu in there. And it says 4 are blue. So we're going to take those blue ones away. So we're going to subtract the blue ones. And that's going to tell us how many are left. And how many do you see left? Well, we have 1 orange, 1 left. So if you were just coloring that and you didn't have these cubes, you would have 4 the blue, and there's your orange cube. It doesn't have to be colored perfectly there. And you trace your equation. 5 subtract 4 equals 1. Problem number 3. Choose yes or no. Does the subtraction sentence match the model? So our subtraction sentence has us modeling. We have a red and a blue train, and we have a total of 4. Well, when we look at our answer choices here, I see that this one begins with 4 and this one begins with 4, but this one begins with 3. Does this total amount is 4, so we know that this one cannot be true. Even though 4 minus 1 is 2, and that's right, but that's not what our picture has. That's what our picture shows. So we look at our picture and we have 4, and it shows it separating like that. The red is separated from the blue. So we started out with 4, and if we separated it and we take the red away, 4, how many red did we take away? Oh, just 1. So this doesn't match. 4 minus 2 is 2, but it doesn't match our picture. So then we have 4 subtract 3 is 1. 4. And what if we take the blue away? What do we have left? 1 red. So yes, that one matches our picture. Kindergarten, Chapter 6, Mid-Chapter Review for GoMath.